Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's shaping our future: artificial intelligence, or AI. As we stand on the brink of a technological revolution, it's essential to understand how AI is poised to transform our lives in ways we can only begin to imagine. AI is not just a buzzword. It's a powerful tool that can enhance our daily experiences, streamline our tasks, and even help us make better decisions. From virtual assistants that manage our schedules to algorithms that recommend our next favorite movie, AI is already woven into the fabric of our everyday lives. But how can we harness its potential to improve our future? First, let's talk about how to use AI effectively. The good news is that many AI applications are designed to be user-friendly. Whether you're a tech novice or a seasoned pro, you can easily integrate AI into your routine. Start by exploring popular AI tools like chatbots for customer service, smart home devices for convenience, or even AI-driven apps that help with productivity. These tools are often just a download away and can be set up in minutes. To make the most of AI, here are a few easy tips. First, familiarize yourself with the settings and features of the AI tools you choose. Many applications offer tutorials or help sections that guide you through their functionalities. Don't hesitate to experiment. AI learns from your interactions, so the more you use it, the better it becomes at understanding your preferences. Another great way to enhance your experience is to stay updated on the latest AI trends and features. Follow tech blogs, subscribe to newsletters, or join online communities where enthusiasts share their insights and tips. This not only keeps you informed, but also connects you with others who are exploring the same technologies. As we look to the future, the possibilities with AI are endless. Imagine a world where AI helps us tackle climate change by optimizing energy use, or where personalized learning experiences empower students to thrive. The key is to approach AI with curiosity and an open mind. Embrace the changes it brings, and don't be afraid to ask questions or seek help when needed. In conclusion, AI is not just a tool, it's a partner in our journey toward a more efficient and innovative future. By understanding how to use it effectively and staying engaged with its developments, we can unlock its full potential. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insights into the world of technology. Together, let's explore the future.